Go. You just have to go to the office. So why do you need to get so dressed up? Are you going to some wedding or something? Come back early in the evening.
Tell me one thing. You always talk about the office, but let me tell you, even more girls than me go to the radio station, and you have to get ready at the office. What do you know? You just sit around eating free food all day? Office.
You've lost your mind. We'll have to open up the house to people. Hello, if it's file day, then come to my office. Quickly. I'm Mel.
Hello?
Hello.
Sir?
Yes, I saw you today.
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, would you like to have tea with us?
Who?
Sahil, send what you need to the office quickly. The gas camera is coming. Come on in. Let me give the gas first.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
No, thank you.
I'll have tea, then I'll look at the file. By the way, you are very beautiful. Are you married?
Yes.
What does your husband do?
Nothing at the moment. He needs to get a job.
To get a job, you need to sing songs. Don't you feel bad that he just stays at home and doesn't go out?
Actually, he needs to get a job right now, but he hasn't found a job yet. That's why, for now, he's at home. I do everything.
If that is what you want, I can certainly find a job for him.
I'll have a conversation with him, and I'll go over the details with him.
I completely forgot about writing the file. Okay, tell me, have you thought about promotion? Everyone has a desire for it in their heart. If he gets promoted,
Yes. That's very good.
by the way, if you make some compromises, we can get your promotion done sooner.
What?
I mean, if you do your work well, make some compromises in that. You're as beautiful as you are. You deserve a promotion just as beautiful.
Sir, what are you trying to say?
For a good promotion, you need a good position, not with your personality. Carrying these files back and forth doesn't suit you. With your personality, carrying these files around just doesn't suit you. We don't like it when someone so beautiful brings files for us.
Sir, I don't really understand what you're saying.
If you wanted to understand, you would, but you don't want to understand. What is it that we are trying to say? By the way, if you have time, come have coffee with me.
Sir? Sir, I don't really have that much time. After leaving here, I go home.
Listen to me. If you want a promotion, you are going to need to make time for a special position. You'll definitely have to make special time for that.
Sir, I don't understand what you're saying, at least not openly.
Look, there are some things that can't be said openly. The other person has to understand them on their own. Now try to understand a little, you'll figure it out. Something special.
Sir, honestly, I don't really understand what you're saying. Please explain clearly what you mean.
Look, there are some things, they can't be said openly. The other person has to. Anyway, you shouldn't take too long to figure it out. Understand?
Sir, I don't understand what you're saying.
Please look at the situation. Madam, if you don't compromise with us right now, there is a very strong possibility that you'll have to remain in this facility for another 4 years. And if someone with a much lower rank comes along later, you'll also have to compromise to satisfy their specific requirements. So in the end, you'll definitely have to make some significant compromises with us.
Sir, I have studied so hard and I have so much confidence in myself that I can move forward through my own efforts. I don't need your offer at all, sir. If you try to take advantage, then
Wait just a minute, please listen to what I have to say first. The offer is actually still on the table, at least for me. What's going on here? Why are you holding her hand like that?
It's not what you think. Not at all. You're misunderstanding the situation.
Wow, you're quite the deceiver. Just now you were having fun with me, but as soon as you saw your husband, you changed sides. You really...
Jahir ji, this man is lying. Nothing like that happened at all.
I saw it with my own 2 eyes. He was holding your hand right there and you were just sitting there enjoying it. Do you really think that I don't understand what's going on? There is no need for you to come back home anymore. You'll get your boss's documents sent to you. Rahul's ambitions are right here in front of you.
May your ambitions be defeated.
Honestly, I just do not understand these people at all.